Today, we will show you how to remove all viruses from your Windows 10 computer. Click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to Update and Security and click on Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Current Threats, click Scan Options. Select Full Scan and click Scan Now. If system will find any threats, then click on Start Action. Windows system will automatically clean and delete any type of viruses on your PC. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.